Hey, what's up everyone? I have a Nexgrill here that has the burners just falling apart. I'm going to be replacing them. At the end of the video, I'm actually going to replace this grease pan as well. That's super simple. But what this video is about is just me changing out these burners here. I got the parts here, so I have the burner distributors, I have the starter lines here, and then I have this these covers that help distribute the heat for your grill. And this whole set cost me about 40 bucks. And what I'm gonna do is clean this out, put those in, and hopefully have a grill running like new again. All right, so the first step is we're just gonna take these, kind of make some space here, see what we're working with. You can see these burners here have completely fallen apart. This is the last decent one remaining. But these actually, they just pull out like this. So it's pretty easy to put them right back in. The biggest thing that we need to do is we need to put the new starter lines in. And so I'm gonna show you what that looks like getting underneath here. So starting all the way on this end, you can see the line here connected to the burner. Side note, the burners, when we put them in, they line up with this here, which is where the propane comes from. So what we need to do is we need to trace all these starter lines back to this box here, which is where we hit the button to start it. This is what has the, I think it's a AA battery in it. All right, so while we're down here, these lines right here, you can just pull them all out. So we're just gonna work them out. You may have to wiggle them a little to loosen them up, but they should come. All right, now that I got them out, I got them loose. I mean, like I said, I just wiggled them out. I just needed to use 2 hands to get it. We're gonna pull them out from underneath this zip line here. We'll pull them all the way through as far as they'll go. So when we're pulling out the burners, we're not catching anything. So I'm gonna do that, and then we'll take them out. All right, I got them all out. One thing to keep in mind, we do have this side burner here. So you're gonna have one that you'll just keep open here. Don't throw this one away. But since those are all loose, we should be able to just pull these out and toss them. Oh. All right. Okay, and on these burners, there's these little holes here. You get these teeth for the starters. I've already kind of popped this in place since I'm using one hand, and you just slide it over till it feeds into the other end. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. They sit underneath. So what we'll do for this one is we'll just feed our line through that hole. Also, all these lines are the same length, so it doesn't matter which one you do and where. So we'll just feed it through. We got it kind of hanging here. Pop it through, and these just kind of rest on here. You can see I'm kind of rotting out over here, but they should be able to just sit on it. I may actually go back at some point and put a new piece of sheet metal here just to kind of firm that up, but for now we'll just leave it be. All right, so I'm gonna go put the other burners in, and we'll take a look after that. All right, I got all of them in, got them sitting there. Got the wires, I ran them back through these zip ties that were already there. And so what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna take these ends here and just pop them back in. It doesn't matter which one they go in, they just need to go in one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, I got them all back in here. Obviously we have a lot of slack left over. You can do with it however you want. I'm just gonna take mine and stuff it back here behind this and let it hang. I'm not too worried about it. I don't ever look back there, so no worries. We'll just let it hang. We'll keep it out of the way to where they're not getting too much heat, but they should be just fine. All right, so we got these all set up here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a quick test to see if they burn. All right, so what you wanna do is you wanna turn on one at a time and see if it lights. If it does, you're good. So you move to the next one. Excellent. That way we're making sure they're all hooked up right. Awesome. All right, so we will go ahead and turn those off. We have these here. We'll just set them over each one. And our burners are replaced. All right, next step is I need to replace this drip pan here that is absolutely falling apart, looking disgusting. So what I did was I measured from here to here, that's 25 inches. So we need a 25-inch drip pan. I ordered this one online. It's one of those one size fits all. It comes in 3 pieces and you just make it the width that you need. You can see on here, you can kind of see, they have the distances for each one. So we got 25 there, 25 there. We're just gonna put the pan in to that size. Came with some screws, some bolts, and we'll just bolt this together and it should slide right in. So let's do that real quick. All right, we got it assembled. We got it to where it'll line up. So we're gonna set this to the side for now. I'm gonna attempt to throw this nasty thing away without it all falling apart. Good luck. I'm gonna need 2 hands to pull it out, but this should just pop up and slide out. Let's see, maybe I can pull it off. Oh, it's disgusting. All right, for the trash, moment of truth. Let's see if this slides in. All right, it doesn't go all the way and clip in, but it should just sit there with no issues. This is as far as it goes. But it'll catch everything. I don't see anyone pulling this out. It's kind of snug in there. So I think we're good. Let's pop this on and give it one more shot and see how it looks. Awesome. All right, well, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and feel free to leave any comments if you have any questions or any thoughts. Thanks for watching.